Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix Telegram too many attempts. Please try again later. iOS and Android full tutorial. So this might work on both iPhone and Android devices. So you could go ahead and try it out onto your end. But here onto my end, this device that I'm using is an Apple device. So you'll just need to head first onto the settings of your device. And here, once you're already here onto the settings, just make sure to click onto general and head onto iPhone storage. Scroll down and make sure that we have here the Telegram app. But before you do this, just head first onto the App Store of your device and search for the Telegram app here. We have to make sure that you currently have the latest version of the app. So if you're not seeing update in here, then you have the right version already. And if you're seeing update, just make sure to click onto that and try to see if you could log in back again. So right after you have updated that and it still did not work out, head back again here onto the iPhone storage and offload the app. So you need to go ahead and reinstall it back again onto your account to make sure that it will work just fine. There might be some errors within the installation process, so reinstall it back again and try to see if that one would work. Right after that, you could try to check if you could log back in again, and if not, just go ahead and try to see also if there is a VPN if you have a VPN on your end. You could go ahead and try to install one out and try to see if it will help you to log in, since there are some cases that they will try to install a VPN onto their end, and when they try to log in, it will let them go through. But if not onto your end, the last resort that you could do to this one is to go ahead and search for Telegram support. So click onto that and you'll get redirected on into their website, and by here you should be able to go ahead and describe your problem. Just make sure to be very specific. Just type in there that you can't log in into your Telegram account, and type in also the error message that says too many attempts, please try again. Add in your email and your phone number and just wait for Telegram to respond to you regarding how to fix this. And that is how to fix Telegram too many attempts, please try again later login issue. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you on to our next video.